Alright, now we're gonna look at selecting a niche before you buy domain. Okay, so without a niche, buying a domain I think it doesn't make sense. So we're gonna use these 4 methods, and I want to walk you through live using these 4 methods one by one, step by step. Okay, so first we're gonna look at Google Trends method. So right here I'm on my Google Chrome, and you can literally open in your computer and do as I teach step by step. So first go to Google Trends. Okay, type in Google Trends, and it's going to show up from Google, and click on it, and it's going to open up. Now what you need to do is click on the hamburger icon and click on year in search. Okay, so you can also trending now section, this one, but I suggest you to go and find the year in search 2023, as we are in 2024. This video is being recorded in 2024, so the year 2023 year data is we have. Okay, so because 2024 is not completed yet, we don't have a year in data of 2024. Now if I scroll a little bit down, you can see all the topics which Google have ranked. Okay, the best topics, the top searches, top 5, and probably top 10. Okay, you can, if I hover a little bit, you can see show 5 more. Okay, now let's look at one by one. Okay, I'm gonna open up document. So I'm on my Google Docs. Okay, so we're gonna find a niche, suitable niches. Okay, blog niche. So I'm just gonna write here blogging. Now niche selection. Okay, so whatever ideas on niches I can put here, I can note it down here. Okay, go to Google Trends and see one by one. Okay, here in the news we have Chandrayaan 3, and news we have, and budget. So if we go about the Chandrayaan 3 niche, we can literally talk about space and sci-fi. Space comes inside sci-fi. Okay, we can also write blog articles like sci-fi, and also if I talk about space, I can also talk about space movies, and what else, space research. Okay, and space organizations, space news, trending news, space updates, live updates, weather, and etc, etc. So this is a one niche, guys. So I mean, this is a niche. Okay, this space is a seed keyword, but these are the other keywords supporting that. Okay, semantic keywords, you can say. Now you can literally take one, either go super niche. When I say super niche, it's like only writing about space movies, only writing about sci-fi, only writing about space research things, research papers, only writing about organizations, like posts on space organizations, only writing on a space news. Okay, so that's a super niche. But if you want to go general niche, you can write about all this, like you can include all this, but keep in mind it's a niche. So another example which I can give you is, so let's take a budget 24, or I can look for more. Okay, so this is a news event which is very convenient for people who want to write articles daily and follow up news. Like, keep in mind, guys, when we write blogs about news, it has to be updated. Okay, it's not like you write it once and leave it just like that. No. Now let's look at how to. Okay, so instead of news, let me focus on how to prevent sun damage for skin and hair with home remedies. So this niche is about skin. Okay, now inside skin we have hair, not hair, face remedies, face care, all right, hand care, face packs, face packs and vitamins. So something like that. Okay, remedies. Okay, DIY, do it yourself, home remedies. So it goes on, guys. Okay, so in a moment I'm going to show you how to get tons of ideas with just single keyword. Okay, there's a answer the public website I'm going to show you. Okay, Now another niche you can tell is how to improve car mileage. So this comes under a car niche. Automobile, it's super niche because it's mainly focused on car. Now if I go super niche, we can look for car parts, best car parts, best cars, and car DIY home, okay, and top trending cars, top cars in year. So these all people search for these guys. It's not like Google randomly put here. It's not like that. People gonna search for this. Okay. Now you can ask me a question like, hey, this is a search, but how can I know people are searching for this? Guys, understand, if people are searching for this, the algorithm it's gonna automatically promote, show to the users who have visited your web page all the blog posts which have written on these topics, because since they're interested in this article, which is a car keyword, and since these blog posts will be on these keywords, similar car keywords, it's gonna suggest. Okay. Now, coding classes near me, you can also go for a super niche coding tutors or best coding websites. So when it comes to coding websites, you can create a white label product and put it on your website, get traffic, tons of traffic. One way is make it free, make a product free, so that you will have a visitors, not only visitors, initial visitors, you're gonna even have a referrals from the visitor, which increase the traffic because it's free. First thing first, if it is free, people are gonna refer it. Okay, like friends are gonna share something like that. Make a product and leave it for free and see the traffic gain. Okay, but again, making the product also, it should be helpful and useful and searchable. Okay, so example, people in a coding space, they more search for errors, Stack Overflow, something like that. But if you use API or something like that and create a product where you'll have a search bar and AI is connected to it, and it's going to give you all the answers using AI, it's gonna be important, like it's gonna be useful for people. Okay, and what else? So let me look at some other else. You even have people, guys. So here's the interesting thing. When you go to people, you can write net worth for celebrities updates, and celebrity dresses, celebrity people, I'm gonna write celebrity, what else, celebrity skincare. You can go on, guys. Why not? People gonna search for this keyword and they're gonna be recommended what are the blog posts you write on this. Okay, example, let's say Kiara Advani net worth, Kiara Advani dresses choices, Kiara Advani skincare. So you can pretty much you can see. I mean, these people, celebrities, they'll be always trending. Okay, every day new celebrity will be trending, guys. Okay, mostly people who are in sports. Now that's a good way to catch the niche. This guy Rana, the fuzzy shows. You can write. Okay, movies is another good example in niche. Movies, you can write top summer movies, horror movies, and comedy central movies, comedy movies. Can go on, guys. I don't have to tell you all those things genre, because you people watch a lot of movies than me. I mean, and you can also write travel destinations. Oh my god, travel is a big niche, guys. You can literally super niche for every place. So let's say Coorg. Okay, Coorg is a super travel niche. Okay, it's a travel niche under travel niche. It's a niche under travel niche. Coorg state, Coorg places. Okay, you can literally write every place name and insert in Coorg. Okay, so like this you can write. Okay, this is one way using Google key. I'm gonna write it down here. Google trend.